How to activate Windows 10 without product key. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of seeing that annoying activate Windows watermark on your screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to activate Windows 10 or 11 without a product key in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, we need to open the command prompt. Go to your search bar and type in CMD or command prompt. Once you see it in the results, right click on it and then open the command prompt. It's time to enter the activation command. Type in the following command as you can see on the screen. After typing it, you need to press enter on your keyboard. That's it. You can now close the command prompt. To complete the activation process, you need to restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, you should see that your Windows is now activated. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.